Hello my dear one, welcome back to Journal English class, and in Journal English we are going to learn lesson number 12. And what is there in lesson number 12? You know children, in lesson number 12 we are going to learn capital letters, full stop and question mark. Where to use this all punctuation. Yes, this question mark, full stop, this all are called punctuation. So where to use that Miss is going to teach you. Okay, so watch it carefully and listen it. So first we will read the spelling of capital letter. C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital, L-E-T-T-E-R, capital letter, F-U-L-L, full, S-T-O-P, stop, and question mark, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question mark. Okay children, so you have to remember where to write capital letter, where to put full stop and where to put question mark. So let's go ahead. Now a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Yes children, now you are writing question answer in other subject. The first letter should be always capital and last you are putting full stop. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Yes, again I am telling, if you are writing sentences, so first letter should be always capital, and when sentence end, that time you have to put small dot. This small dot is called full stop. Yes my dear children, let's go ahead. The pronoun I is written in capital letter wherever it appears. Okay children, so when you write I, single letter I, okay, if you are not writing anything with I, then I you have to write in a capital letter. I always write in a capital letter when I is alone. Yes, if you are writing I's, then I should come in the cursive writing. But if you are saying I am a boy, so I is alone. So I you have to write always capital. Yes, let's see next one. Read the following sentence. The girl is playing the piano. This girl is playing the piano. See now, first letter is what children? I know you cannot able to read the sentence, but first letter is T. Yes, and last this is a full stop. Yes, this is called sentence. Yes, my dear children. So this T says the. Yeah, okay. So T is capital. Can you see? Yes. And last full stop. So sentence end. That time you have to put full stop. Yes. So this is called capital letter and this is called full stop. First letter capital and last full stop. Remember this in your mind. Next one is Amit and I are brother. See children, just now only I told you, when you write I and I is alone, no letters are with I. That time you have to write I capital. So here I is capital. Yes, a proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Proper noun means if your name, your father name, your mother name, any person name, if you are writing your name, then first letter should be capital. Yes, let's see. She gave the book to Kamlesh. She gave the book to Kamlesh. So Kamlesh is the name of this boy. So K is capital. This is proper noun. If you are writing your name, your teacher name, your principal name, so first letter proper noun is capital. Remember this in your mind. Okay dear children. Next one is This is Kamalesh's proper noun. Yes, for name of one boy, name of any person. So K should come capital. Next one is question mark. Where to put question mark now? How we know, miss? You are thinking about the how we know. Okay, we have to put full stop or we have to put question mark. But in this sentence, you can make out how many cookies did you eat? This mummy is asking to this small girl, how many cookies did you eat? So mummy is asking question. Mummy is asking question. So last we have to put question mark. Yes children, this is called question mark. This symbol is called question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with the question mark. Okay, if you are asking anything to anyone, that time you have to put the question mark. If anyone asks to others, that time also you have to put question mark. Yes, so a sentence that asks a question and with a question mark. Yes, only question mark. Other sentence, normal sentence, you have to put full stop. Let's see next one. What color is the dog? Now here in this sentence they are asking about the dog's color. That's why they put question mark. Yes. Second one, will you play with me? Will you play with me? They are asking. Two children are playing and one children are asking to other children, will you play with me? So this is question, yes or no, like this. So that's why here question mark. This is the symbol of question mark. Yes. Now let's see some example. See, first letter is not capital. THIS, this, IS is a CHAIR, chair. This is a chair. But first letter should be always capital and last you have to put full stop. But in this sentence it is not there. But now I correct and I wrote again here. See, first letter T is capital. This is a chair and last I put full stop. So this sentence is correct. Yes. Next one is THIS, this, IS is a BOOK, book. Now you tell me which letter should come capital? Yes, very good. First letter. So here I wrote this T capital. THIS, this is a book and sentence end with full stop. So you have to put full stop. Let's see next one. Sentence is 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 THAT, that, a BELL, bell. Is that a bell? Now they are asking, is that a bell? One things are there on the table and some person are asking, is that a bell? So we'll put a question mark and first letter capital. Yes, I is capital and last we have to put question mark. Next one, is this a mug? Now you tell me, this is sentence, we have to put full stop or we have to put question mark. Is this a mug? They are asking, is this a mug? So we have to give answer. So what is this? Question mark. This is question. So I should first letter I capital. Last we put question mark. Is this a mug? Question mark. Next one is THIS, this, IS is a RAT, rat. This is a rat. Now we have to write first letter capital and last we have to put full stop. So take out your pencil box. So this is the picture of rat and they are asking, this is a rat. Yes, so we'll write first letter cursive capital T, From down we have to write H I S. THIS. These you have to put dot on I. This after same spelling you have to write I as is a RAT, rat. Same question you have to write, but only you have to do first letter capital and last you have to put full stop and sentence end. So now we'll put full stop. So this is a rat. T cursive capital and last we put full stop. Understood? Shall we go ahead? Yes. Second sentence is this a star? Now they are asking, is this a star? Yes. So what will come, full stop or question mark? Very good, question mark. So we'll write first letter capital, cursive capital I, from down S, is THIS, these. Same spelling you have to write, my dear children. Dot on I, put dash on T. Is this a star? Is this a star? Write S T A R, STAR, star. Put dash on T. Now this is question. So we have to put last question mark. Question mark symbol is like this. Is this a star? Now tell me answer, yes or no? Yes, this is a star. Let's see next one. Third sentence is IS is, THIS these, a PEN, pen. Again they are asking, is this a pen? So now question mark or full stop? Question mark. And first letter cursive capital. Very good, very intelligent you all are. So write first letter capital I, from down S, is this, THIS, this. From question only you have to write, put dash on T, put I on dot. Is this a pen? Spelling is PEN, pen. PEN, pen. And last we will put question mark. Yes, this is not full stop, this is sign of question mark. Is this a pen? Question mark. Yes. Next one is THAT, that. HORSE, horse. Is that a horse? Now this is question. So we'll put question mark and first letter capital. Is that a horse? Yes, that is a horse. Give full answer. Now we'll write cursive capital I, S, is, spelling that is T, H, A, T, THAT, that. Is that a horse? Spelling is here, children. Copy from the question. HORSE. Say and write, and last you have to put question mark. Is that a horse? Here we finish this sentence. So my dear children, here we finish of this chapter, question mark, full stop and capital letter. Now remember these things in your mind. First letter should always capital. When sentence end, that time you have to put full stop. And anybody ask anything, that is a question. So last you have to put question mark. Okay, bye. Till then, see you in the next video.